Motorola, the world leader in end-to-end enterprise mobility solutions, introduces the next generation in scanning innovation, the ultimate in simplicity, flexibility, and connectivity. The all-new CS3000 series delivers mobility by design. The pocket-sized CS3000 series provides simple, convenient, anytime, anywhere 1D laser scanning. Ideal for all your basic mobile scanning needs. Automated supply ordering, task tracking, retail promotions, real-time inventory management. The CS3000 boosts productivity and eliminates manual error for next-generation data gathering and transmission. Need speed, high capacity, and simplicity all rolled into one? The CS3000 uploads data to a host device through a USB cable as easily as plugging in a flash drive. Data is then batch transferred automatically. Need to take your scanning mobility to the next level? The CS3070 model matches the speed and capacity of the CS3000 and adds fast, convenient wireless Bluetooth data transmission to the mix. Transferring scanned data in real time to smartphones, laptops, or tablet PCs couldn't be easier. With a touch of a button, it's easy to keep track of consumed supplies, manage inventory, and plug into automated restocking processes. The CS3000 series is ideal for tracking the progress of your cleaning crews or security force activity as well, putting fast, accurate task and asset tracking in the palm of their hands. Direct store delivery confirmation is now a simple scan away from warehouse and at each stop along the route. Getting real-time inventory counts are quick and accurate, and as easy as making a Bluetooth connection, and accounting for the day's inventory can be batch loaded and complete just moments after the final delivery. Even large retailers are reaping the benefits of sharing the CS3000 mobile push-button scanners. Easily and accurately track merchandise presence, quantity, and pricing. Checking shelf inventory, out-of-stock merchandise, product movement and placement. Or helping excited brides-to-be to establish a gift registry. Or holiday shoppers to create an all-in-one wish list. And so much more. Increase the efficiency and productivity of your mobile workforce with pocket-sized economic ease. The CS3000 series scanners from Motorola. It's the ultimate in scanning mobility by design.